This 5 to 30 minute KEVA activity explores ratios by building towers and measuring the length to width ratios of the KEVA planks to determine the heights of their towers. The first thing they will need to do is to determine the relationships between the thickness, width, and length of the KEVA planks. So if they take 3 planks and stack them on each other, that equals 1 width of a KEVA plank. If you lay 5 flat, that equals the length of 1 KEVA. And if they take 15 and stack them, that will also equal the length of 1 KEVA. You can have the students attempt to determine the mentioned relationships between the KEVA planks for themselves, or you can do that together. Then once you have figured that out, you can have the class build towers of varying heights. And using what they've discovered about the ratio relationship of the KEVA planks, the students should now be able to determine the exact height of their towers expressed in KEVA units of height. You may want to determine as a class whether you will record your answers in KEVA heights, thicknesses, or widths, or you may want to allow the students to choose any of these 3 options. After the height of the tower has been calculated in terms of KEVA, the class can convert their measurements to English or metric units by measuring the dimensions of 1 KEVA plank and then multiplying that. A math extension that you can do with this activity is to make this an estimation activity by having students estimate the height of their classmates' towers. For more KEVA activities, go to KEVAplanks.com under our Educators tab to find our Educator PDF that is free for everyone. You can also like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss another video. Have a great day!